Hi everyone, it's Jackie in Nantwich here. I'm having a day out today. I'm going to go to Chester on the bus. I've got a couple of little things that I want to do. I've got a necklace from the Clogau shop that unfortunately I dropped on the floor and it's broken. So I want to go into the shop and see if they can repair it for me. And also I want to go into the White Company because I do like the White Company, and I want to have a look in there at their body products because I'd like some new body lotion really. I only normally buy anything from there if it's on special offer, that sort of thing, because it is pretty pricey in there, but it's always nice to go and have a little browse. So I'm going to go and do that today, and I'd love you to join me if it's something that you might be interested in today. And also I thought we could have a little taster of Chester because Chester's such a beautiful city. It's full of history, and there's always things going on there, so it'd be nice to have a little taster look round there too. So if that's something you'd like to do today, I'd love you to join me. I'm Jackie in Nantwich, and I'm living life what I like to call in the sweet spot really. I'm in my 60s now, and I've got less commitments and I've got more time really to do the things that I want to do, and I've got the energy, I've fingers crossed still got the health, and I've got a zest for life, and I want to really make every day count. Don't we all want to do that? So that's what I'm about on this channel, and I'm pretty new to YouTube, but I hope that you will find something that resonates with you and you find it interesting, and I'd love you to come along with me. So I won't waffle on any longer. I'm going to go and get the bus. It does take a little while on the bus. Chester in the car probably would take about half an hour, something like that, 40 minutes, depending on the traffic. On the bus, it's about an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm going to get on the bus, sit and relax, and I'll catch you when I get there. So I've just got off the bus in Chester, and I'm just outside the Clogau shop here. So I'm going to take the necklace in and see how I get on with that. I do apologise for all the noise, it's pretty lively here. As always, it's always very busy, Chester is. So I'm just going to go in the shop and see how I get on, and then I'm going to go and get a well-earned coffee. The bus journey took a little bit longer because I think obviously it's the school holidays and there was quite a few roadworks, but I'm here now and I'm just going into the shop. Well, I've just taken my necklace into the Clogau shop, and I'm just going up on the rows here actually. The rows I think are about something like 700 years old. It's absolutely incredible. But I've just taken the necklace into the Clogau shop, and they're going to have a look if they can repair it for me. It might take, she said, about 6 to 8 weeks, but hopefully it won't take that long. So I'm hoping I'll get it back sooner than that. So I'm just coming down on the row now, and I'm just going to go to a little cafe, and it's called the Flower Pot. I've been there a few times and it's really nice, so I'm going to see if I can get a well-earned coffee. I'm absolutely desperate for one because I only have one a day, and I normally have it about 10 o'clock, and I think it's the best part of 12 o'clock now. So I'm going to get my coffee, and then I'm going to go to the White Company and have a look in there to see if I can get the body lotion. Let me just turn you around and have a look at the rows. There's lots of little quaint shops up here, little individual shops. Chester is very unique. It's an incredible city. I think it boasts one of the most walled cities in Britain. I think the walls span about over 2 miles, so one day I might just have a little walk along those and let you have a look. They are absolutely amazing, and it's got the largest amphitheatre in Britain as well, I think, and there's lots of lovely history with Romans, and usually you find Roman soldiers marching about all over the place with school children on tours, but obviously they're on holiday at the moment, so that's not happening. And it's got the River Dee, it runs through the city, and it's got a huge race course which is absolutely great fun out for a day out, and it's got a zoo as well, the world famous Chester Zoo, as well as all the shops and the bars and the restaurants and the nightlife. It's absolutely always full of energy and always full of tourists and visitors and locals. So I'm going to get that well-earned coffee, and I'll be back with you shortly. Bye for now. wobbly, isn't it? But so I've done that. I bought the body lotion from the white shop. Let me get it and show you. That's the one that I've got there, and there was 30% off it, so I'm really pleased with that. I've had this one before and I really like it, so that's going in the store cupboard there. And I've had a little look round. I bought a couple of little tops just from Marks and Spencer's, and I bought this in Marks and Spencer's. It's called Punishment Juice. So it's got lots of things in it that are supposed to be good for me. It sounds like the ingredients sound a bit like disinfectant really, but I'm sure it isn't. So I'm going to enjoy that because it's 27 degrees out at the moment. It's absolutely boiling hot and the buzz is probably even hotter. So I'm going to enjoy my punishment juice. It's one serving a day and hopefully it'll power me on to get home. So I'll be in touch soon. Bye for now. Well, I've just got back in now and I'm absolutely exhausted. The bus was boiling hot. I think it must have been at least about 30 degrees. It was, like I say, 27 when I got on the bus at Chester, and I've just got off near where I live now. It doesn't drop, it drops me pretty near to where I live, so I don't have to worry about walking too far, but it is absolutely really hot today. I think we've gone into this 5th heat wave, so I'm sure wherever you are, if you're in the UK, it's probably pretty much the same. As regards to the punishment juice, I did have half of it on the bus, but it was quite difficult to drink it because the bus was wobbling about a bit, and I thought, oh, it's going to end up everywhere. I'm not quite sure it's for me really. It's got like all sort of green healthy things in it really, and I think it's cucumber and it's got lime juice and spinach and hemp and mint. It did taste a bit like a very weak mint sauce really, so it's supposed to be really good for you, but like I say, I'm not sure. The jury's out on that one. But all in all, I've had a good day. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I don't think I said at the beginning, but if you're returning, it's lovely that you've come back, and I hope that you're finding it interesting what I'm doing. And if you're a new viewer, welcome. It's really lovely that you're here, and I hope you can join me every week. I'm hoping to post on a Wednesday. That's what I seem to have been doing at the moment. So if it's any different, obviously I'll let you know. So that's about my day really. I'm going to get a shower because I'm just so hot. And I pegged the washing out before I went out this morning, and I must say it's probably dry to a crisp. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to successfully iron it, but I'm going to have a shower and then I'm going to get the ironing done. I think it's probably not the most exciting the rest of my day, but I can't grumble because I've had a nice day out. So I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and bye for now.